Unleashing power anywhere, the magic of portable generators. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that combines practicality with convenience: portable generators. Whether you're an avid camper, need backup power during outages, or work on remote job sites, understanding what portable generators are and how they work is essential. So, let's get started and uncover the magic behind these powerful devices. A portable generator is a compact, movable power source that generates electricity from fuel. Unlike stationary generators, these can be easily transported from place to place, offering a convenient solution for temporary power needs. Typically running on gasoline, diesel, or propane, portable generators convert mechanical energy into electrical power, ready to use for various applications. At its core, a portable generator works by converting fuel into electricity through an engine connected to an alternator. The engine burns the fuel, which creates mechanical energy. This energy then drives the alternator, which converts it into electrical power. This process is governed by the principle of electromagnetic induction, where moving a magnet near a coil of wire induces an electrical current in the wire. Portable generators come with several key features that make them incredibly useful. Mobility. Their compact size and built-in wheels or handles make them easy to move around. Versatility. They can power everything from small appliances and tools to lighting and heating systems in areas without access to the main power grid. Fuel efficiency. Many models are designed to maximize power output while minimizing fuel consumption, making them more economical to operate. Ease of use. With straightforward operation and minimal setup, they're accessible even to those not technically inclined. While portable generators are incredibly beneficial, it's crucial to use them safely and maintain them properly. Ventilation. Always operate the generator in well-ventilated areas to prevent carbon monoxide poisoning. Dry operation. Keep the generator dry and do not use it in rainy or wet conditions to avoid electrical hazards. Regular maintenance. Check the engine oil, air filter, and fuel system regularly to ensure the generator runs smoothly and efficiently. Proper storage. When not in use, store the generator in a dry, safe place to protect it from damage and extend its lifespan. Portable generators are a versatile and efficient solution for providing power wherever it's needed. Whether for emergency backup, work, or leisure, they offer the freedom to access electricity on your terms. We hope this video has illuminated the workings and benefits of portable generators for you. Stay powered up, and see you in our next video.